The maximum food stamps benefit has jumped to $994, and most people on SNAP benefits were never told that their own numbers could go up with it. So before you do anything else today, hear this. There is a real chance you are getting less SNAP benefits right now than you are actually owed, and this is totally fixable. So stay with me. I will show you exactly how to check to make sure that you are getting the right SNAP benefits. Now, here's the part that actually costs people. The ones who got cut in 2026 are not the ones who have lost benefits. And here's the second thing. A few rules quietly changed in 2026, and some people are now affected who weren't affected last year. So by 2 minutes from now, you would know exactly where you stand. I am Kwame Kwade. I am an adjunct professor of finance at Johns Hopkins University. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I am glad you're here. Do me a quick favor, go into the comment section and let me know your city and your state, because I like to know where you guys are watching my channel from. But here's what I plan to cover today. Number one, I am going to tell you what went up in 2026 and how to check and make sure that you're getting the SNAP benefits you deserve. I am going to give you some rule changes that have taken effect that have caught a lot of people by surprise. And then finally, what your EBT card can unlock that you are not currently using right now. Let's jump right into it. So, what actually went up in SNAP benefits? Well, $994 is the maximum benefit right now for a family of four in the lower 48 states and the District of Columbia. Now, a maximum of four, $994. The minimum benefit you can get is $24. Now, let me talk about this. A lot of older adults refuse to apply for SNAP. 50% of all eligible older adults are not applying because they don't think that they're going to get much. But here's the thing, even if you're getting $24, I did a separate video of showing you exactly 10 different discounts that become available to you because you get SNAP benefits and you have an EBT card in your hand. You cannot tap into those 10 discounts if you don't have an EBT card. And then finally, the standard deduction rose to 209. What does that mean? It means that it helps you qualify for more benefits. So how is the maximum benefit calculated? Well, they take your net income, which you can calculate because the net income is your gross income minus allowable deductions. So they will take your net income, your gross income, subtract the allowable deductions, like, for seniors, your medical bills, your housing, all these other things that are allowable. They take it out of your net income. It reduces your your gross income, and then you multiply the net income by 3%, 30%, 0.3, and then you get how much benefit. So you can do this calculation yourself if you know what your gross income is, you know your deductions, you know your net income, you multiply that by 30%. So here is the thing also. If you have money in the bank, your assets are safe. The asset limit has stayed $3,000 for most households and $4,500 for seniors 60 or older, or for people with disability. So, right now, a lot of people are getting surprised because they're going to the grocery store, they are using their EBT card, and then they're finding out that their EBT card has been shut down. And they're like, what changed? Well, a few rules have changed very quietly. So let's walk through them. The first one is that right now, it used to be that if you are age older than 54, you did not have to work to get SNAP more than 3 months. Now that has been increased to 64. So even seniors that are collecting Social Security now have to work to get SNAP. That is new. It used to be that if you have kids 18 years or younger, you don't have to work to get SNAP. Now that has been reduced to 14 years and younger. So a lot of people with kids now have to work to get SNAP. And then there are fewer waivers. So states now are getting very strict. unless unemployment is 10% or more in your state cannot get a waiver. So if you were an adult without dependents and your state gave you a waiver, that waiver may be gone. Before you worry, there are exemptions. If you have health reasons that prevent you from working, you can get exempted if you document and you have a doctor's documentation that the SNAP office has received. If you are caregiving, if you're caring for somebody specifically, that will help you get an exemption. If you're on disability, whether it's SSI or SSDI, you can also get an exemption. So call your SNAP office today and find out if you are exempted from the new SNAP requirements. It is not automatic. You have to call and make sure that you are. And I've created a SNAP survivor kit to help you navigate all of this, and it's for free. So go to my website, benefitsinsider.co, to the address you see on the screen. You can take a picture with your phone right now. Go to this address, download this free guide while it is free, and make sure that you've audited your own SNAP benefits so that you are not caught by surprise by all the new rules that the government has implemented. So why does the government, why have a lot of people lost food stamps this year? About 4 million people have already lost their benefits. Why? Well, it's because the federal government is applying pressure. They want the states to take the burden, some of the burden of paying for SNAP. And the states don't want to do it because the states have to balance their budget. The federal government doesn't. And so the states are fighting back by making it harder for you to get SNAP. So what can you expect? Longer wait times. Call centers in many states are reporting 2 to 4 hour wait for SNAP questions, so be patient. Processing delays. Paperwork sent on time can sit and process past the deadline. So if they give you a deadline, let's say the 30th of the month, send your document the 15th. Give it 2 weeks, because if you send it on deadline, your benefit may be delayed because it's taking them longer to process SNAP applications and renewals. Believe me when I say this. And then missed notices. They are sending you letters, they are sending you emails, they're sending you text messages. You should make sure that the SNAP office has the best information for you. Do they have your best home address, mailing address? Do they have your best phone number? Do they have your best email? Because if you missed any critical notice, your benefit are automatically stopped without any explanation, and it may take a few months for you to get it back, and they're not going to give you back what you missed. So you want to avoid any interruption. Make sure that the SNAP office have all the paperwork they need. So if you want to protect yourself, here are 4 things you have to do to make sure that you don't lose your SNAP benefits. As I mentioned, if you are renewing your benefits, submit all documents 14 days early. Take screenshots. When you go to the SNAP website and you fill out anything online, take screenshots of the final page to show them that you did it. Keep every form in a folder, photocopies, so that everything you send to the SNAP office, make a copy of it before you send it, because if they didn't receive it, it is still your responsibility. And then finally, make sure that they have all your information, as I mentioned, your address, your phone number, your email. Make sure they have everything. And if they say they never got it, now you can show them your screenshot. You can show them evidence of what you sent to them, because guys, it's going to take all of that. 50% of SNAP beneficiaries in Arizona have lost all their benefits because of things that I'm talking about today. So take it seriously. So what does your EBT card get you? Another good news. I'm going to walk you through that. Number 1, Lifeline benefits, a discount on phone or internet service that you can get because you have an EBT card. So I'm telling you, older adults that are avoiding EBT, you are missing out. Amazon Prime, half off from $14.99 to $6.99. Museum for All, 2,000 museums in the country. You can enter for $3 or less. And you can get heating and cooling help, energy bill expenses that can be paid or partly paid for you because you have SNAP benefits. And then one of my favorite, the Double Up Bucks program. It matches your SNAP benefits when you buy produce at specific grocery stores and farmers market. You buy $20 worth of produce, you get $20 worth of produce for free by showing your EBT card. So if you are one of the 50% of older adults that haven't applied for SNAP because you feel a certain way about it, you are missing out on critical benefits and you should go apply. So here's the bottom line. Your benefits went up this year. Make sure that you are getting the maximum benefits. Your asset limits have not changed, so do not panic. Work rules have been increased for a certain category of people, but there are still exemptions. The system is slower, so submit your things early and screenshot everything you submit online. And then finally, your EBT card unlocks a lot of discounts. Claim the one that fits you. Again, I'm always about no panic, no politics. I just want to bring you clarity. So if you like what you heard right now, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and download my Snap Survivor Kit. And if you want to join and learn more about what's happening and how you can get more out of your benefits, then join my community online. It is called the Benefits Insider Community. It's on the school platform. I'm going to walk you through it right now because this is where I'm spending a lot of my time helping people like you get the most out of their benefits, and you should consider joining. So this community, look at this. It's called the Benefits Insider Circle. And if you look here in the classroom, these are all resources that I have created to help you maximize your benefit. So first, when you join, I want you to do the 7-day checkup. It will help you check your benefit to make sure that you are getting everything that you deserve. And then I've answered 100 Social Security questions by video. I have the second ad playbook if you're looking for a second gig to make money, how to maximize your Social Security, senior banking guide, Trump's big beautiful bill and how it affects seniors, EBT discounts for 2026, senior discounts for 2026, how to, your Medicare cheat sheet, how to, budgeting guides, spending finder. I mean, the classroom is full of all these resources that you get for free when you sign up. And then here is the thing. I just posted something yesterday or a few days ago, how you can get, all these weight loss drugs for $50 a month under a new Medicare program. So I am creating videos and posting it in this community that you can get access to. We have all these things that we're putting out here. You could be benefiting from all of this. And most importantly, I am going live on this platform. You can also go to the classroom and see all these resources, or you can ask me a question, then I can answer you in detail. So join the Benefits Insider community. The address I'm going to put in the comments and in the description to this video. As you can see, 158 members have already joined and are getting all these benefits. It's $10 a month. That is a cup of coffee or two, and you get over 2,500 in instant benefits just by downloading all these amazing resources in the classroom. But then you also get to ask me questions and be in a community of like-minded people that are going exactly where you are going, trying to maximize their benefits and get the best that they can get out of their, Social Security, Medicare, Medicaid, and SNAP benefits. So I invite you to join, and you can cancel anytime if it's not for you. But I'm telling you that $10 you're gonna spend a month is gonna be the best $10 you spend on a monthly basis, because I am bringing you the best every week, every day. Excuse me. If you are part of this community, because that is where I'm spending a lot of my time. And as I showed you earlier, I am recording videos and posting them in there about breaking news, things that you need to know about that could save you money and help you maximize your retirement. So check out my Benefit Insider Circle community on the school platform, and you would be happy you did, because there's just so much amazing stuff going on there. If you like what you heard, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in another video tomorrow. Thank you for watching.